My name is Adam Grady. I live in Kenansville, North Carolina. Lived here all my life. I was born and raised here on a family-owned farm that has been owned, worked, or managed by 10 generations of my predecessors. The most logical benefit that I see in transitioning to regenerative agriculture is gaining back control of your operation. We were introduced to regenerative through a connection that I had made previous. The Joyces were looking to add pork, pastured swine operation to their portfolio. We got introduced, and I think we both liked what each other had to say and decided to enter into this project, but it was conditional. And the condition was that I would at least listen to Alan Weeks. I hung up the telephone and I thought, this man has lost his mind. He might can do this where he's at, but this don't work where I'm at. In the early days, we done exactly what my neighbor did. We were disking, we were field cultivating, we were chiseling, we were ripping and bedding. Every new piece of technology that has come about in the tillage industry never solved the problem. And the whole time we destroyed the structure of the soil with unnecessary herbicides and synthetics out there. And we've never been able to realize that until now with where we're at. The industry is having a hard time meeting food demands right now. It wouldn't take a whole lot of people doing what we're doing to be able to create a huge supply. I can tell you that the regenerative path is a journey. We'll always be looking for that next step and how to make the operation not sustainable, but regenerative. The apprehension and the resistance that we meet from Big Ag, they make it incredibly difficult on us to source the products that we choose to use, not what they choose for us. These biologicals that they sell and fungicides and for the most part a lot of insecticides, they're very, very high margin. Composted chicken litter this year cost us a third of what our normal fertility bill would have been. If they don't know what you're doing, until they figured out what I was doing, wasn't the issue. First year in 25 years, we do not have one single kernel of Monsanto-owned genetic seed corn on this farm. Barring the skepticism, making the transition to regenerative put me in control of my operation again. It gave us that new direction that we were looking for. That's when I changed and I seen we do have the potential to be viable for the rest of my generation. And I've got something now that I believe that I can leave for a generation that's coming behind me. I'm in control. They're no longer in control. And
how does that feel for you?
Amazing.